Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to another Palantir update. My name is Ben from Mind Capital, and today we are going to talk about our charts on Palantir, to be exact, our short and long-term count. And it's been a while since I last updated it here on YouTube, but we are going to look at every single detail of which changed since the last video. And we are going to do this update today a little bit different because I just started with the 2-day chart rather than the short-term count, because a lot of new subscribers subscribe to our channel and aren't familiar with the long-term count, and the Elliot Wave structures are kind of complex as of now, and I want to start with the easy part for you guys so that everybody understands what I am trying to tell you. And this chart should be very familiar with the people who watched our last video in Palantir, because this is still all the same. The wave 1 or the wave 1 here, and the very long ABC correction which I counted, and the blue retracement zone which you could buy alpha positions, and the bottom right here from wave 2. And this is all the same, but I highlighted this for our new subscribers. We have our own personal website where we update everyone about our altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and certain stocks such like Coinbase or Palantir, and we hold multiple positions here, and our base price is $10.06, which is currently hovering at around 62% gain, which is pretty stunning if you keep in mind that this has all been achieved in this year, and the year is only halfway over. But I want to show you this message nevertheless. That's our own personal website, mind-capital.com, where we update people frequently about our moves. And you might remember, some subscribers might remember this buy zone which we set back in January, and in which people could load up on positions. And I just have to say, everybody who did this can be really excited about this, and is probably well off as of now, and can be really happy, of course. But let's dive into the counts. As you guys might know from the last video, this wave 1-2 is finished. I believe that this wave 3 is also finished, and wave 4 also finished. And the topic of today will be that we talk about the next wave 5, which should finish our macro wave 1 by August or early fall. And after that, we should experience some sort of macro 2, which will bring declining prices and should be finished before the year ends. And that's it already for our count right here. I just want to highlight that after that, of course, a wave 3 will expand, will bring us above the last all-time high, and a wave 4 and a wave 5 to our macro target. But we will talk about that at the end of the video, and let's switch to our short-term count. Most things here are the same, but they are far more detailed than in the last one. And you guys might remember, and I'm taking it slow, and if you have questions, please leave them in the comments. I will answer them. We have this wave 1 and this very complex wave 2 and wave 3, which topped out at a little bit more than $17. And I highlighted that in the last video that we should enter a wave 4 correction in the upcoming days. And guess what happened? We declined by, it was 21%, a little bit more than that. And I set the green retracement zone in which people could load up on positions again. This was highlighted for our subscribers, and everybody who opened additional positions should be very well off as of now. And the important aspect which we are going to talk about now is these movements right here. In the last weeks, Palantir is extended on the upside again, and currently I estimate that this is some sort of bullish wave 1 and wave 2. And this means the following, that we of course will extend in a very bullish wave 3 again, which should bring us in the region of $18, and after that a wave 4 and a wave 5. And now listen very carefully, because this red extension zone represents the zone in which Palantir will most likely establish a local top. This means somewhere here the bullish sentiment will slowly lose momentum, and we will establish our macro wave 2 in the following months. And speculative traders or people who hold leverage positions can think about closing them in this region and cashing in on their gains. And so my expectation is that we should definitely reach above the last high and enter this zone ranging from $17.74 to $20.14. So the goal is that is pretty clear. I think I've highlighted this quite detailed. There is an alternative, of course, and this alternative would mean that if we crash below this low again at $13.60 and even enter and even break below our retracement zone, then it's possible that this could have been already a macro wave 1, and we would establish a macro wave 2 in the next months. But this is only an alternative and is in no way my primary scenario as of now. So pretty clear for everyone that we should continue to extend on the upside in a wave 3, 4, 5 and top out somewhere in this zone. And I hope that you guys just understood this, and if not, just leave your questions into comments. I will answer them, of course. And that's it already for the short-term count. We are going to look at the long-term count for a more quick moment, and this is very simplified in Palantir. And I just want to highlight that our primary wave 3 target is at $78 as of now, and the next big target of this year and even next year will be tackling this resistance of the last wave B at $29.29. If we break above this, then we will reach our wave 3 target for sure. But this is going to take some time, of course, and we will update you guys about the situation in Palantir in the next months, of course, and I'm planning to hold on to my positions. So that's it in Palantir. I think I've discussed every important aspect, and I would be very pleased if I could welcome you guys on our own website and sign up for our newsletter. And I would be happy to see you guys on our website. And that's it for today. Greetings from Zurich. That's it for today, and have a good one. Goodbye.